Transgenderism isn't real. You are not transgender. There is no such thing as being gender fluid. You cannot be a boy and turn into a girl. You cannot be a girl, turn into a boy. I don't care what you say. And if that's the way that you think, you are going to hell. And that's not even me choosing for you. That's God choosing for you. So you're fucked. When I tell you that, you're fucked. Unfortunately, the one thing the Matrix is good at is getting people's sons to cut their balls off. And their daughters to turn their into a penis. Both end up mangled and disgusting and gross and just downright awful. So if you want to take that route, have fun. There's been countless amounts of testimonies from, many other transgender people after their transition, and they regret it immensely. So here you are. What's your decision?